In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Blackstone the right way. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the gas, then turn on all your burners to high, okay? Then go ahead and hit that igniter switch. Get yourself some oil. You can use olive oil. Any oil will work at this point. It doesn't matter. So if you don't want to use expensive oil like olive oil, then don't. Just use like regular masala or vegetable oil. You know, that will work. So what you want to do is you want to get a spatula, a metal spatula, and go ahead and start scraping this thing up, and make sure that the burners are obviously burning at very high, and the plate is actually hot, because if it's not hot, then you really can't get all the gunk off. But what I like to do is just move that oil around as it's hot, start scraping off all the old food from the previous cook, and inside of that griddle, right in the center, there's a little opening with the little catch can for all the grease and stuff. And what I do is I just push it through. But I also have this little stopper. So if you have the stopper like I do, that I bought from Amazon, what you do is you just push it up and throw all the gunk in there, okay? And after a lot of scraping, just make sure that you're not taking up like rust and stuff. So don't scrape like super hard, but just get all that old stuff off of there, okay? And like I said, a regular spatula will work. And I like to put a little bit more oil too, because as you start scraping, you see that it needs a little bit more oil. So go ahead and add oil appropriately. All right, and get yourself some towels, some throwaway towels. You're not going to reuse these. So I like to go by hand and go ahead and start, cleaning up all the excess. And you want to use this process. Don't use any kind of like bleach or cleaners or like Simple Green, because you will destroy this thing. Do not use those things on here, okay? The best thing to clean your griddle is with oil, okay? Oil and a rag. That's it. Don't put water. Don't put any kind of weird chemicals in there, because they're going to come out in your food. It's going to make you sick. So don't do it. All right, so just keep scraping along with this towel. Make sure all the gunk is off. I like to use 2 towels, because the first towel kind of gets off all the heavy stuff. And then the next towel, it'll start taking off more of the fine particles. All right, but yeah, definitely this is all you're going to need. It's very simple, but you'd be surprised how many people would try to clean it with the wrong products, and maybe they do know, maybe they don't know, but yeah, if you're tasting something funny in your food, you definitely did it wrong. So this is why I made this video, because you'd be surprised. Some people actually just really don't know. All right, so make sure you clean it up really, really good. I use olive oil because that's all I had, but like I said, you can use anything. But you want to really put some elbow grease into it. And at this point, I'm pretty much almost done cleaning it. And yeah, that's all there is to it, you guys. All right, and I put some oil at the very end. Let that heat up, because then once that heats up, then I'm ready to cook. So this is really the process. As you can see, it doesn't take very long to clean. About 3 to 4, maybe 5 minutes to clean it really, really well. And you're ready to cook, all right? So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up.